Whiteness. Hey guys, so recently I've gotten some new ringtones on my phone, which I kind of got. So let's start off with number one. I'm gonna use my mom's cell phone to call me because, yeah, nobody else is gonna call me, so let's do this. Crap. Called the wrong person. Call. Ringtone number one. So awesome. Let's move on to ringtone number two. I mean, no, I don't know the lyrics to that song. This next one is just funny. You're getting a call. Imagine that, but in like a quiet space with people, which would make another funny idea for a video. So guys, those were my top 10 ringtones. Which one do you think was the most epic? That's it, I'm done, bye.